Magandang buhay po, Ninong. Gusto ko lang po kayo i-greet ng isang happy birthday po, Ninong. Sana po ay bigyan pa po kayo ng mas mahabang buhay para po mas malalo niyo pang makasama si Ninang at ang buong pamilya. And yun nga po, more birthdays to come. And syempre po, mas mahabang buhay para lugi ang gobyerno. Basta pumension pa kayo ng mahaba. Good health po, Ninong, and God bless po.
Kumusta na, Pisang Romel? Happy birthday sa'yo. Naway laging malakas ang katawan mo. Huwag kang mai-stress. Maging maayos sa lahat ng oras sa kalagayan mo. Sa tulong ng Puong May Kapal. God bless you, Pinsan. Mahal ka ni Kuya Ede. Kaya huwag mong kalilimutan. Laging magdadasal sa araw-araw. Hingi ng tulong sa May Kapal. At pamalagaing malakas ang katawan mo sa lahat ng oras. I love you, Romel. Bye-bye.
Sa aking drinking buddy, Tito, happy 70th birthday. Pasensya po kung wala ako dyan. Although may representative naman ako dyan na kamukha ko rin, pwede na yan. Ingat kayo lagi, Tito. Stay healthy, pagpabayaan ng sarili, and more birthdays to come po. See you soon po. Happy birthday from Kabanglasan, Bukidnon.
Mate, happy birthday! Sana magpalakas ka, ha? Pula lang tayo sa barik, hindi tayo makapaglakotsap. Mahirap na magmaneho. Sana maging maayos na naman talaga ang ating mga katawan natin na ingatan, maging masaya, at lahat. Hindi na nga ako nakaka-attend ng ating reunion Namimiss ko na ang buong tropa. Yung sayawan natin, kantahan, lokohan. Mahirap pala itong ganito. Hindi makalayas. Limitado ang gala. Ay, buhay natin mga tatanda. Happy 70 years ka na nga pala, ano? Ay ako, 73 nitong February. Si my team, naku, lagi kong ka-text. Araw-araw nagsasend ng message. Nakakatuwa naman. So kayo matay nung last reunion. Parang hindi yata din ha. Siya, happy birthday. More years to come. Sana yung mga ngiti mo nandiyan pa din. Tulad ko. Wow! Hindi nga sa bahay. Ako may nakapag-jogging na kanina. O siya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Tagay mo. Inom ko. Pulutan nyo. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi Tito, happy 70th birthday. Ang tito ko na walang kakupas-kupas hanggang ngayon, pogi pa din. Ang wish ko po sa iyo, long life and many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday, Tito. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Parang Mel, we're so lucky pare dahil inabot pa tayo ng ganitong edad. Uriin mo, sana mag-banding tayo ulit. Ang saya natin ng mga those were the days natin. Inuman, kantahan, kung ano-ano pa. See you soon. Ito naman si Paring Boy mo, miss na miss ka na namin kayo.
Happy birthday, Paring Mel. Sana abutin niyo pa ng 100 taon.
Okay.
Happy birthday, cousin Romel. 70 na. Hindi na tayo bumabata. May you have more birthday to come. Enjoy your special day. And God bless you always. And God bless your family. And say hi to everybody out there. Sana ay palaging happy ang birthday at happy sa araw-araw. Take care of yourself. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. Aloha.
Birthday, Corona, sa 70 years old mo. Sana lagi kang maging malakas, maging masigla, maging masaya. Happy birthday, I love you, mayat maya. Mama, Chuchu, I love you.
Classmate Romel Barrias, happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! Happy 70th birthday, classmate Romel Barrias. Class 74C. Palakas kami.
Happy birthday, Mel. Pagaling ka. Para sa isang araw ay magkita-kita tayo at magbanding-banding naman. Iilan na lang tayong natitira, kaya magpalakas ka ha. Love you.
Hi Ninong! Happy birthday! Wish you good health, long life. God bless po. Happy birthday ulit!
Belated happy birthday, Tito Ninong. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday ni Lord. At sana bigyan ng maganda ring katawan. Belated happy birthday. Happy na birthday pa, Tito Ninong.
Belated happy birthday po, Lolo Romel.
Belated happy birthday, Tito. God bless you.
Belated happy birthday, Ninong and Frankie.
I love you all.
Ninong, maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday. Kalimutan ng problema, mag-enjoy. Hindi na tayo pabata. Gawin ang lahat ng pwedeng gawin. Pasayahin, kalimutan ang problema. Mag-enjoy, gawin mo kung ano ang gusto mo. Basta, your best, Ninong. Happy birthday, Ninong.
Happy 78th birthday, Tito Romel. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo Romel. Wish you good health and God bless you always. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Romel. I drew you. I hope all your wishes come true and you have an amazing day. Bye. Happy birthday, Lola Romel. I wish you have a good day. And happy 70th birthday. And I wish I could see you.
Happy birthday, Lola Romel. Hope we see you soon in the Philippines.
Happy birthday, Lola Romel. I wish you all the best and many years to come. I hope to see you soon.
Tito Romel, happy birthday. Nakikita mo naman. Anong gusto mo dyan? Siyempre, meron tayong Blue Label, meron tayong Gold, merong Hennessy. For this one, Rakia from Croatia. Siyempre, sa sobrang lakas niya, kasama si San Miguel. Regalo sa akin ang cover ko. Ito naman, Rakia din from Serbia. Siyempre, meron tayong gin. Diba? Dahil lahat ng to, hindi pwede sa atin, Milo na lang. Tito Romel, we love you. Happy birthday. Ito lang ang cheers natin.
Happy 70th birthday, Lola Romel.
Happy 70th birthday. Hope you have an amazing day. Sana pasaya ka namin, Tito Romel.
Bye! Bye!
Happy 70th, Lola Romel. 70? You don't look a day over 45. Anyways, happy 70th. Here's to 70 years and many more to come. God bless.
Hello po. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best po.
Happy 70th birthday po. Mainly wishing you good health, more birthdays to come, and hope to see you soon. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ninong. See you. Hi, Ninong. Happy 70th birthday to you. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best in life, especially long life, and more, whatever you wish for. I wanted to say na, of course, you're my number one Ninong. Sino po ba? And I wish to be like you someday. Want to say that because you're the number one nonchalant that I know on how handling things. You're so calm, you're so quiet, and you're so progressive on how you do things. I would say na even though we have this small issues in the family, we have issues in this and that, but of course you have your own things in your family as well, but you do it so calm. I never seen you all my life that you burst out in any situation. So I wanted to say that ikaw yung idol namin, ikaw yung taong sana pwedeng maging ako din soon. Like I said, you're so calm. You're so quiet in how you're solving issues and problems, and that's not only on your personal issues, maybe with the family issues and all the clan issues, I would say. So again, happy birthday, and wish you all the best. And because di ka muna pwedeng, wala muna tayong session, I'll be the one to do that for you. Pag-bumasin ka ng bago. And this is for you, for everyone else, and for your good health. Everyone, please raise your glasses to our birthday celebrant. My Ninong, happy birthday to you. Cheers. Sarap. Ninang, Leng, Angie, Francis, and all the rest of the family, take care of Ninong. We'll see you soon. God bless and love you all. Bye.